KNOE 8 News begins with breaking news.
And we begin with breaking news at this hour. Reuters is reporting that Steward Health is willing to sell Glenwood Regional Medical Center. In fact, it is putting all of its 30 hospitals up for sale. Now, this comes after the company filed for bankruptcy. Steward has had challenges paying vendors across the country. In fact, Glenwood was put on immediate jeopardy status 3 times in a 120-day period. Reuters said Steward hopes to have the sale complete by the end of the summer to address its $9 billion of debt. However, West Monroe Mayor Stacy Mitchell says Steward has been willing to sell Glenwood, but the property is owned by another company called Medical Property Trust, and that has been the challenge. Now, in a statement just 30 minutes ago, the mayor told us that she is excited to see the corporate movement and hoping this will mean good things for Glenwood getting away from Steward. And State Representative Michael Eccles of Monroe is responding. He says the writing is on the wall for Steward. They have gamed the system and created a hole in our health care delivery system. It's unfortunate their criminal activity has created a gap in delivery of care. I'm hopeful that new opportunities come for our market after their chaos comes to an end. We will have much more on this coming up tomorrow. And bear in mind that we have been following this story from the start, and you can find any updates on our KNOE 8 News app.